whooshy wind. It's been whooshing a lot of wind here in Guyra today. We had gusts of up to 80 kilometres an hour today here in Guyra. That's amazing. That's whooshy. The Wind at Your Door by Robert D. Fitzgerald. My ancestor was called on to go out, a medical man, and one such must, by law, wait in attendance on the pampered knout, and lend his countenance to what he saw, lest the pet, patting with too bared a claw, be judged a clumsy pussy, bitter and hard, see, as I see him, in that jailhouse yard.